Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create ASMR videos that are trending and has a lot of views. So, you can use, I guess, videos, but you'll need to add more stuff so it doesn't get copyrighted. Or you can make your own. I mean, sound doesn't cost a lot, and I feel like it's going to be fun anyways to create ASMR videos. But you're just going to add in text, and you're going to add in some, like, stories, maybe like I can't say it, AITA stories. If you know, you know, some other weird stories or like fun facts, you can type that in. Maybe like this one. I'm just going to add it, and then you can add like a text to speech thing, so you don't have to like even use your real voice. I'll just use the okay, I can't. What about the Richard one? Okay, it's more than 500 characters. So I guess you have to do it like one by one here. So let me see if I do that, and then I'll be able to.
Think you know the ocean. Think again. Number one, it covers 71% of the Earth. Yeah, most of our planet is water. Number two, we've explored less than 5% of it. We know more about...
Oh my gosh, it's generating speech, and then make sure your caption is more interesting. You can like use effects, templates, and whatnot. You can like delete it and then use the auto captions so that you can make it like this. Here, I'll show you. Auto captions and then generate. I'll also turn on the audio so you guys can hear the text to speech. Here you can use templates, and then I know this is a pro feature, but honestly it's so worth it. Here, I'll show you which one should I use. This one, because it's just fun. That caption is fun, and you don't have to like edit that much. So this is what it looks like when you're done.
Think you know the ocean. Think again. Number one, it covers 71% of the Earth. Yeah, most of our planet...
Okay, that is it that I'm going to give to you. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.